Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some very attractive and gorgeous crochet table runners, and WhatsApp number 034563000924 is given on screen. You can order any design in any size with any color scheme from all over Pakistan from the number which is given on screen 034563000924. So all these designs are very attractive and beautiful, and you can have them on customization from the number given on screen. So you can just contact on this number, send the screenshot over of the design which you want to make and in which size you want to have, and you can book your customized order in any color scheme, in any size, and with any design, and it will be given to you according to the timeline of your design which you choose, and specific timeline would be given to you, and you will have amazing runners or any other crochet product at your doorstep. You can see all these designs are having mostly granny square patterns or granny stripped designs are also included in this video. Some of the other designing ideas are also included, like you can see this solid double crochet stitch pattern along with shell stitch, a blend of two, which is also giving super stunning and lovely vibes. So all these designs are mostly made with contrasting color schemes, but you will see some of the designs made with single color scheme as well. And if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos of these designs, just do let me know in the comments as well, because other than these kinds of ideas videos, I do upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel as well. So if you are new and you want tutorial videos, want to learn crochet work, you will find beginner friendly stitches pattern videos available already. You will see many square patterns and round patterns available, and you will see some other crochet baby accessories tutorial videos available on my channel already. And if you are interested in seeing any specific idea video or tutorial video which is currently not available on my channel, just do let me know in the comments and I will make it for you. And if you are new to my channel and want more ideas videos like these, just press the red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So just stay connected and get all types of ideas of handmade products which are related to macrame work. You will find crochet work ideas, you will find hand knitted projects ideas which are also available, and you will find crafting related ideas too which are available on my channel. So all types of handmade products are available which are related to wearable accessories of women and kids and are related to home decoration. So all stuff used in your daily life will be available on this channel. Stay connected to get them all. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.